Hi guys, welcome to another video from myself, RC Steve B. Now, I didn't think I was going to be making a video of the June meet of the UK RC Truck and Plant group because it was only 2 weeks after our May meet. The May meet was actually delayed because of the coronation of King Charles III, which meant that there was only 2 weeks difference between the May and the June meets, which was last Sunday. But when I got there and had a look at some of the trucks that were actually being used that day, and I also saw the layout that the committee had actually put out, I thought, nah, I've got to get the old video camera out. It wouldn't be fair not to share this. So that's exactly what I did. This video is also a little bit later than it's took me a little bit longer to get this video done because obviously, you know, times change, people change with it, and I now have grandad responsibilities, which entails looking after these two little darlings, Leo, who has is about 14 months of age now, and Lucas, who is approaching his 8th birthday. So because obviously mums and dads work full-time, nanny and grandad get a lot of childcare duties, like a lot of other nan and granddads in the world at the moment, and I wouldn't change it for the world. Love them both to absolute bits, but it does mean it has a little bit of an impact on my video making, so I apologise for this one being late. This will also possibly be the last video from myself before the UK National RC Truckers Gathering at Newark Showground. But I'm going to actually give you more details on that at the end of the video to let you know how you could still become involved with that. I think there's still time as this video goes live to actually get involved and probably get down there. And I'm also going to give you the information that you will need for if you have one of these trucks, be it a Brooder, be it a Tamiya, be it a Lesu, whatever, as long as it's roughly around the 1/14th scale, that you can get involved with one of the friendliest trucking groups out there, UK RC trucking groups out there, UK RC Truck and Plant. But in the meantime, enjoy the video, guys, and I will speak to you in a moment. Ta-da a bit. Not bad. It's nice to see you.
Hey, I think that was worse. have fixed and then all the electrics should be done.
Things you don't expect to see at the filling station. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we made it.
Right, before we go any further, I will actually say that I do have a little bit of a reputation where the boys from the truck club are concerned. Let's just say I have done some absolutely extraordinarily bad driving, like doing a Dukes of Hazzard leap off one of the bridges with my globe liner, amongst various other things. So the boys decided that they were going to set me up a little assault course to see if my driving skills had improved. let's see how it went, shall we?
I've got no chance, come on! Right, here we go.
Come on, blast it.
Here we go.
No reverse leg, Steve.
No, that was a shame.
Right, then you can reverse leg. Reverse one if not, Steve.
No, definitely not. I can't even reverse that one.
No problem whatsoever. They said I hit the caravan. I say I took a paint sample. And you know, what can you say? They did actually want me to do it in reverse, but I decided that I was going to sort of quit while I was ahead, so I actually declined the offer for that. Brilliant, brilliant day. As I say, every time I do a video from this group, any day that you can go home with a smile, you know, a grin on your grill, you know that you've had a good day. And every time I leave Badsey to head home in the afternoon, I have a grin from ear to ear, like the proverbial Cheshire cat. Absolutely tremendous bunch of guys. And the next time that this tremendous bunch of guys will be getting together is at the UK RC Truck National Gathering. Now, that's taking place on the 8th and the 9th of July this year, 2023, between 4 and 5 weeks away. Sorry, 4 and 5 weeks away, I think it is. I can't remember. You'll have to have a look. Depends on when you watch this video. And it's taking part at the George Stephenson Exhibition Hall at Newark Showground, Lincoln Road, Coddington, Newark. Yeah. It's £55 for the weekend. Plus, if you wanted to camp on site, it's £10 camping. Or, like I'm doing, I'm only going for the day. Because this is my first event, I'm just going to go for the day. So that is £30 for a day visit. The day visit for £30 on a Saturday is a long day because you get there early in the morning for the truckers briefing, and then of the evening they have an evening run because obviously, you know, there's nothing more that most RC truckers, most RC truckers, crawlers, drifters, you name it, like more than our lights. So a lot of the trucks have some absolutely fabulous lights on them, and to give them a chance to show off the lights, they have a night run, and I will be stopping for that, hopefully. We at the UK RC Truck and Plant, well, Bob and Robin, have 2 yards as well. If you see us there, please come over and say hi. Love to meet anybody that's there. Love to see anybody that's a fan of the channel. Let me know if you do enjoy the channel. Come over and let me know if you don't enjoy the channel. You know, I can take criticism as long as you're polite. Yeah, come over and say hi. One thing I will say before I go any further is the fact that it is a drivers only meeting. It's not open to spectators or members of the non-driving public. You can only enter the event if you are driving an RC truck or plant vehicle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to their webpage, which is UKRC Truckers National Gathering.co.uk. UKRC Truckers National Gathering, all one word, .co.uk. Going to leave a link down below in the description for that. If you want to try and find them on Facebook, then look for this page on Facebook. It's the same header that's on their webpage, but this is what you want to look for on Facebook. As far as I'm aware, it is still open. Not sure, so you will have to check first. But if you want to see what it's all about, there's a very, very good guy on YouTube called Scotty Babe 666. I'm going to try and leave a link to his channel either in the description below, or I'll leave a subscribe button or one of his videos in the end credits to this video. Click on that one and you will see what happened in 2022. Well worth a watch, and I personally can't wait to get there. Got a few little jobs to do on these three, and then off we go. Also, down below in the proverbial description, I am also going to leave a link to the UK RC Truck and Plant website. If you have a 1/14th scale vehicle, 1/16th scale vehicle, Brooder, Tamiya, Lezu, anything like that, and you want to join in but don't know where to go, come and visit us at Badsey. Bring your vehicle along. It is a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant morning out, and you will not be disappointed. As long as you treat all the other vehicles and the other people with respect, you will be made welcome. Okay, so I think that's about it. I think we've covered just about everything that we need to cover. As I say, if you are going to the UK RC Truckers National Gathering, please, please, please come over and say hello. Love to meet you. And until the next video, I'm going to leave you with a couple of little stills from Sunday so that I can get some end credit title sequences thingies up here, buttons and videos and subscribe thingies. You know what I mean, you know. Because what I want you to do is to this, please. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. But until the Truckers National Gathering, keep your controllers dry and your batteries charged, and I will see you all again in the very, very near soon. I'll see you all again very shortly. Watch what you're doing, guys, and above all, happy RCing. See you later.